Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Mukherjee again. Today is 27 May 2023 and I am going to give you one trading setup based on the time and price action. Okay, so let's move again. So I have this bank nifty, and this bank nifty, if you go to here and see that what is the high. So last high we have made near 14 December 2022. Okay, so from that 14 December 2022, I have taken this trading setup, and in this trading setup, what are the things are there that I will tell you one by one. I have using this TMA. This TMA is nothing but it is showing that what is the trend of Bank Nifty, and if you see that trend of the Bank Nifty is was upside, and from here on this date 14 December 2002 the trend was downside. Again trend got changed in this area and trend become upside. So to filter the trend I am using this one, the bigger, whatever the bigger trend is there, that bigger trend I'm using. That to filter the bigger trend I want to use this tool. Okay, so with the bigger trend, I want to see that what is the lower trend, and based on the trend, I will do the trading. So what I did exactly, the daily chart, I am using the TMA, and with the TMA, I am using applying here the GANN formula, that is square root of highest point. So this is the highest point, 44,157 approx it will get, and when we are square is doing the square root of that 44,157 square root, then we are getting 210. When we are dividing it, this is the daily, we are getting daily 210. So 210 is a cycle, so 210 days of the cycle. Okay, so 210 days of the cycle, I remove everything so that you can get idea. Or what you can do, you can draw that 210 days of cycle. After 210 days of the cycle, it will start moving in a different direction. Okay, this is the journal formula. But what I have did exactly, I have divided this with divided by 2. I am using the smallest cycle. So this is the half 105. So in 105 as well days, this smallest change will come, and biggest change will come after 210 days only. Okay, and if we will divide this with again 2, we are getting 52. So 52.53. So we are taking almost 53 trading cycle days, or 53 trading hours for the cycle analysis. Okay, so what I did exactly here, if you see here, this is the day. mm, remove everything. So this is our 53-day cycle. This is the 52, 53, 54. This is okay. 51 to 53 we don't have, 54 we have. So 54-day cycle we have. Okay, so what we do exactly, we will take that one, and from here we will draw. So you able to identify that this smallest cycle is exactly identifying that correct high and correct low. If you see that from this date, it never turned back, and moving up and up only, and that 55-day cycle is exactly near about to end in 29th of May. Okay, and what we are seeing here, this is the day chart. When we go to the hourly chart, again we will draw that 54 days or 54 days. Okay, This was the 54 days. Or you what you can do here, uh, 53, 43, 52, 52, 52 or 53. Correct. This is exactly the number of trading days. This is number of trading days 53 because many leaves are also there, na? So we should take that number of bars. That bars are exactly giving us correct way of exactly calculating everything. So this was exactly we can say you can take anything, see either day or bar. So 53 to 54 bars you have to calculate, because why these are the important things. If you see that 52 weeks we have, this is the universal law that in a 1 year we have 52 weeks. 52 weeks, correct. So that is the exactly nearby. So 53 bars or 53 days we have to take it. Okay, but by this way we have to do the calculation. So either you will take this one. So you see that we are nearby high. We are nearby high. If this high will get break, then we can see a new high. Or if this low got break, then we will see a new. Then we will see the downtrend approach from here. Okay, so this is the cycle analysis that I want to tell you. These things you have to do when you are trading with the bank nifty. Now, what I will do exactly here. So we were taking here the 53 days, 53, 54, 53, 54 days we have taken. So this is the things that we have, and we are approaching here our uh, the cycle. Now we will go the hourly chart. Again, what we will do, we can draw the 52 to 53 hours. Okay, so what we will do here, 52 to 53. So we are 53 bars we have drawn here, and what we are identifying here, we are getting identifying here that we are reaching the exactly the low of the this move. Okay, so you see that in hourly chart we are getting exactly 53. In a 53 bar we are reaching the low. 53 bar, next 53 bar we are reaching high, and here you can see that you are again reaching the in the 53 bar one cycle is getting completed where it reached the low, and in the low in between it made a one high. Okay, so this is the, if you see that if in a 50% area, in 50% area any inward any up move is exactly coming, so that up move can continue. Okay, so now what will happen exactly, you can see that that is a consolidation kind of things are happening. So when those consolidation will break with the time, so this is the time you see that it got breaked. This consolidation is what happening is it is almost, you see that it's a sideways market. Correct, it's a sideways market. So when this consolidation will get break with this, when this consolidation get break with the time, you see that what a fall, beautiful fall we will get. Okay, again what we have to see, we have to see that what's happening into the 50% area. You see that, so you will get that, you see that in the 50% area you have a very big up move here and then down move as well. Okay, so as you know that if something get fall very rapidly, same time what's happening, it will try to reverse itself as well. So in this area, so 50% area was this one, and 25% area of 52 days is this one. From there it reversed, again it got fault, and from that area 52 days area, it will get again fault, and again from the 25% area, 75% area, it got reversed. Okay, reversed it got reversed. So we have to, exactly when you are saying that consolidations are happening, after the consolidation the time will get break with this price action. You can think as in a price action. You say that what a big fall you are getting here. Okay, this is the one trading setup that I want to explain you with the simple price action and time analysis. And why I have drawn this trend, because trend is everything. So until unless trend is not changing, don't think that time is exactly came to change the things as well. So if you see here, we have this down move, and from this area we the up move got started. Don't immediately buy until unless the time is exactly sinking. If you see that from area it will get retested, then it will move up, and from the 50, this is the again the 50% area of this whole move, and this 50% area, you see that one downfall came, then it become resistance. Again the price action exactly came where double top is exactly getting occurred, and from that you see that it came down here, and you see that again fall got started. Why? Because what I'm saying you, trying to say you, if you see that this is the, with this price action, with this price action, can I say that with the time the downfall has started? Can I say that this time downfall has started? Okay, so downfall has started, and again in the 50% area, up move has got started. Okay, so what I did exactly here, I able to mix the price action with the GAN method of trading. Okay, and what I did with the GAN method of trading, we did the square root of highest point, and we find out the cycles in the daily and hourly chart, and after that we are finding that with our trend indicator, what are the price actions which is exactly confirming this move. Okay, so you see that it was a uptrend, little bit uptrend was there in a 50% area, but that uptrend didn't get finished here, so it is taking the time. That's why I have drawn this tunnel. If you read the book, that time trade tunnel through the air of a GAN, then he is talking about the tunnel, where the tunnel is exactly giving you the exact direction, and direction of the uh, movement, next movement in the stock market. Okay, the tunnel is fully for the direction and trend, but tunnel is not saying that here you have to buy or here you have to sell. It is not selling that. Tunnel is only for the boundary. Okay, creating if you see that here in the when a boundary got touched, it would get downfall. When boundary got touched here, it went up. Again boundary got touched, it downfall. Boundary got touched, it went up. Boundary got touched here, it went up. Boundary got touched here, went down. Boundary got touched upside boundary. So what I'm trying to say, that exactly from the boundary it is getting pushed itself in hourly chart, pushing itself, pushing back. Okay. So when let's say you have one aeroplane, and you have a direction that with that aeroplane you want to travel, that Gordon, exactly Robert Gordon is traveling through the tunnel, and when tunnel is exactly giving him the direction in which direction he has to travel. Sometime in the tunnel he is exactly get deviated the direction, he didn't able to identify, but that tunnel boundaries are exactly giving him the direction. No, you can't able to come here, just you have to go back in the same direction whatever was given. Okay, and the time is exactly important here. If you see that when the time got reached, suddenly what happened, it fall here, little bit folded here, and when the tunnel got touched here, it went up again. Okay, so this is all about the David Gordon is talking about the tunnel, in the tunnel through the air, how the time is exactly traveling, time traveling within the tunnel, and that tunnel is exactly giving him the direction and trend. Okay, you see that here it went up, touch the tunnel, come down, touch the tunnel, it went up. Okay, and if you find out that now slowly we are identifying that this tunnel is exactly traveling in a sideways direction. So there is no any specific direction right now into the market. And if it will break, then tunnel will take the upward direction. If it will downside, then tunnel will take the new downward direction. Okay, and here the coincidence of hourly and daily high cycle that I have drawn initially, that is also getting better. If you want to get a help yourself, then you can take help from many indicators are there, the identifying the exactly the trend. I am using this one. I am using this one, so that this is the nothing but in the Rahul Mohinder exactly have given one Vidya and Vidya indicator, and with that I have added the ATR. And you see that when it is went up with this one, and tunnel is saying the upside direction, what a move we are getting here. Okay, and again the when it is coming here, it is pushing back to my Rahul Mohinder indicator as well as ATR is exactly pushing it back to the main direction what was there. And from there you see that I should be in a correct direction, right direction. I should not trade in a wrong direction. And most of the trader fail into the market because they are not identifying the right direction into the market. Until unless direction and trend is not confirmed, don't try to sell it. Don't take a put of next month or coming month or coming week, because most of the time I was saying that the either 30 years of experience or 40 years of experience of the people or 5 years of experience of the people, they have drawn a wrong conclusion after reading the book. And they are saying that most of the time the time will get reached, the trend will change. Okay, that that is a wrong concept that that you people have drawn. The when time will raise, the vibration will happen. Okay, so when time will reach, vibration will happen, and after the vibration again, it might be possible the trend will get changed or trend will resume. So if you see that here, the when time got reached, so what's happened, this is the vibration, this is the vibration. It nothing to do with the trend change. Trend change will happen after the 49 to 52 days and nothing else. Okay, so you see that here again, I recently I joined uh, many channels where even if I paid channels as well, where exactly the GAN was exactly GAN trading method was given, and I have seen that they are totally wrong. They are trying to do reversal trading with the GAN, which is exactly the wrong way to identify that this is the reversal. They are exactly doing what exactly most of the people are doing after exactly drawing this that Fibonacci trading, or even if with the because they are finding the reversals. So rather than finding the reversals, I will say that you have to find the trend and trade in the direction of the trend. That will be the most profitable trade. You will get less trade but accurate and very good trades you will get. And it might be possible that with including your price action with the candlestick, you will do more better than any other things. Okay, so this is the concept that I want to tell you. You see that when the time got reached, it went up, it didn't went up more high. So always remember that the vibration will come. When time will come, the vibration will come, and after the vibration we have to see that trend is actually changing or trend is resuming. If trend got changed, then you take the actual short trades or long trades. When let's say trend is upside, and after 52 days or 52 weeks or 52 hours you see that trend is changing, then you take the trade change in the bank nifty. If it's not changing, don't take the trade, because what's happened, the price action people are also thinking the same thing. Whatever you are doing, you see that with the price action, with the price action sorry uh, the pushback, pushback. If fall would happen, this should come directly like this, but it didn't. Okay, so always think that whatever exactly written into the GAN way of trading, GAN GAN books, you have to read it uh, very in a broad way. Okay, and so these are the things that I want to explain you. Apart from this, you can use the volume indicator as well. So these are the volumes. You can see that, you see that when the volume here you see that this fall was there, correct? And with this fall, you see that here our time got came here. So if you don't have any confidence, don't have a confidence, at least see that what happened at the price action in the backside. Okay, because it's a 2 hours only late, 2 hours only late, so plus minus 2 hours it can happen, as our our 52.53 came na? So that's why we take the 53 weeks. If you see here, in this here here in this candle, the volume got breaked, the volume got breaked, and it came here, and you see that what a move we got, what a move. So you can take long trade here, keep it for BTST. When it touch the TMA, you can just close your trade, and don't take any short trade right now, because still trend is up. You see that here we again get the trend, and we again here we get the trade, again beautifully moved up. Okay, and now we here what exactly did, exactly we are seeing that it's the bullish harami pattern we got, so we close this trade whatever we got. Bullish harami pattern is there and bearish harami pattern is also there, so we will close this trade. Now again what we will do, it came down here, what we will do, previous trend is up, we can do here long with the, you see that it's a kind of uh, evening star pattern, evening star pattern you can say, where three candle confirmation is there, one, two, three, and you can see here it closed above the this one line. You can take here long trade, long trade for BTST, and you see that what a beautiful move you got. Again it came down here. Okay, and with this candle volume breakout, volume breakout, it moved up, but you know that you are see low, if you see that this is the lower high formation is going on, so you can't take this trade because it is reaching at the nearby your time cycle, and it is exactly forming this kind of pattern, so you avoid this trade. It didn't happen. Now again it went up here and it came down here. Here you can see that volume got breakout, volume got breakout, and you can take the long trade here. In this area you can take the long trade and hold it, and you see that it beautifully moved. Or otherwise you have taken there this trade as well, it moved up properly, very good trade. Okay, so that I want to explain you all, and apart from that, you can mix the price action as well, and drawing the patterns as well. So you can do the small pattern drawing, and you can identify that what's happening around the scene, and you can so let's say this you with the time, this was the time when the trend is exactly, this was the uptrend. You are thinking that now downtrend will come, but downtrend will not resume easily. It will take some time. So you see that it's almost formed a uh, ascending triangle and ascending triangle breakdown here. Then you have got a very good short trade, and you got this trade in the 50% zone of this area, 50% zone of this area. Okay, so zone of this area again in the 75% zone, some pullback happened. So you can exactly what you can do, you can predict the move. So what is going to happen, what is going to happen. So in the 50% area you see that reversals are coming. Exactly in the 50% area reversals are coming. So you just identify that okay, it's coming to lean, but don't take the trade immediately. Just see the price action based on the candles. If candle is confirming the price action, yes, this is the bearish move is coming, then take the trade. If price action is not confirming the bearish move, then don't take the trade. Or if you're taking the trade as well, then do it and exit like this. Okay, because this is the bank nifty where very big moves, 200 300 points of big moves are happening in every 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, so uh, I would suggest use this trading setup as your uh, uh, your trading guide, not as in a trading method but trading guide. Okay, you see that in the 50% area the price action happened, that it's a bearish Rami pattern is there, and bearish Rami pattern downside happened. It next day it opened gap down, and then it went up again. The bearish move started, and see that after crossing this area it didn't move immediately, it retained here, but next day move came here only. Okay, so that is the thing. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more learning, and motivate me with your all your comments so that I will make more videos for you all. And if you want to learn, just connect with me in my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel, Bulls and Bears Global Market Research Analysis, or you can see that Bulls and Bears Fight. I'm NISM certified. Okay, I have done NCMP, CRTA, NISM. NISM numbers are there, NCFM numbers are there. I am a mutual fund distributor as well, and I have LIC agent code as well. So if anyone is exactly looking for LIC mutual fund or any fundamental market research, then connect with me. I will give you very good discounts into the buying all those products, as well as I will give you help in the trading. Okay, hope you have liked this video. Thank you everyone.